Forecasting wintry precipitation is a challenge, and knowing whether we get rain versus ice versus snow takes an understanding of the vertical profile of the atmosphere. You not only need to know the temperature at the cloud and at the ground level, you also need to know what the temperature is where that precipitation falls. Oftentimes, sub-freezing air very shallow hugs the surface due to its dense nature. But when you get readily a warmer nose above that, that's when we can talk about mixed precipitation. Now, whether it falls as snow or rain, if the air beneath the cloud is warmer than 32 degrees, we're most likely just going to get good old-fashioned rain. But when there is that very shallow layer of sub-freezing air, that precipitation falls as liquid and then freezes on contact. That's what we call freezing rain. It looks the same as rain until it forms that notorious glaze. When that cold layer at the surface is just a bit deeper beneath the warm nose of air, the droplets have a chance to refreeze. And if you take a look at this pastry right here, the icing would be comparable to the freezing rain and the sprinkles to sleet. Most of us would much rather have to contend with the latter because it acts more like snow on the roadways with a bit more traction than certainly a glaze of ice. Now finally, if the layer of air from the cloud to the ground is 32 degrees or colder, you're likely to see those snowflakes flying. Now when it comes to our upcoming wintry weather this week, green country falls right in the middle, getting the whole gamut depending on where you live. While much of the area sees only a cold rain, there will be a corridor that receives a bout of freezing rain and perhaps even sleet or snow as it tapers off. And you'll want to stay up to date with the latest on this sensitive forecast here on Fox23.com and over here on air. Back to you.